Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be walking you through how I created a complete game-ready asset from scratch using Holopix AI, an all-in-one AI generation platform designed for game developers, artists, and creators. With Holopix, you can generate high-quality characters, UI icons, environments, and 3D-style scenes with just a few steps, all inside one unified interface. And the best part? All materials generated by Holopix AI are commercially usable, so you can use your creations in any project, no restrictions. In this video, I'll show you the full process: idea, creation, enhancement, final export. We'll explore the key tools inside Holopix: one-click generation, prompt-based creation, canvas, the drawing and AI generation module, background removal, enhancement, upscale, and custom model training. Let's get started. After signing in at holopixai.art, you'll land on the main interface. Here's what you see in the left side: Home, dashboard with community creations and quick access tools. Create, the one-click generation module where you turn prompts into images. Canvas, a drawing plus AI generation space for refining, modifying, or extending your artwork. Explore, 100 plus pre-trained art style models. Train, create your own private AI models. Learn, tutorials and workflow guides. To begin, I open Explore and pick a model aligned with my concept. Holopix has categories like pixel art, 3D low poly, stylized concept art, anime characters, realistic humans, and fantasy. Since I'm designing a futuristic character, I select the sci-fi character model and load it into my workspace. On the right side, you'll see the main generation panel. At the top is the artwork name, where you can rename your piece if you want to personalize it. Just below that, you can also add an extra style model to control the look of your artwork. In the positive prompt box, this is where we describe what we want Holopix to create. If you're stuck, you can use random for suggestions or image to prompt to let Holopix read an image and turn it into a prompt. I enter my prompt: female cyberpunk bounty hunter wearing neon reflective armor and a glowing visor helmet, standing in a rainy futuristic city, cinematic lighting, detailed concept art. A few key reminders about Holopix generation. Each prompt generates a maximum of 2 images. Results follow the prompt very strictly. If you say red visor, Holopix won't randomly create blue, green, or other color variations. Outputs are consistent, not random exploratory variations. Under that, there's the reference image section. You can pick one of the preset references like character, linear, or color block, or pose matching. You can also click Upload Image to use your own concept art as a guide. The guidance slider controls how strictly the model follows your prompt and reference. Higher values mean it sticks closer to your description. There's a facial retouch toggle. When enabled, it automatically enhances facial details for a cleaner, more polished look. Below that, you'll find the dimensions section. Here you can choose the aspect ratio for your image. Next is Image Count, where you can select how many images you want to generate per prompt. The standard plan allows 1 image, while VIP users can generate 2 simultaneously. Finally, you can choose between standard or express modes, with express available for VIP users to speed up the generation process. After setting everything, click Generate. After a few seconds, I get 2 detailed sci-fi character renders. I choose the one that matches my composition best and move forward. Refinement using Canvas and tools. Expand tool. Select Expand. This feature helps you add more space to your image. For example, if you want to show a full body view or extend the background. Once inside the Expand panel, choose the aspect ratio that fits your frame and decide how much you want to expand the image. After that, just click Generate. Holopix will process your request and intelligently extend the image, filling in new areas with realistic lighting, textures, and details that perfectly match the original. Upscale tool. To finalize the asset, I apply. It increases the resolution and sharpness of the image, refining edges and enhancing small details. It doesn't upscale to full 4K, but the result is clean, detailed, and production-ready. Creating variations. Holopix does not auto-generate creative color variations like gold, blue, purple, etc. So instead, I create variations the correct way. I adjust the prompt manually. For example, same cyberpunk bounty hunter, but with blue armor lighting and slightly different visor glow. Or I use Canvas to modify specific regions, in-paintings, out-painting, and let AI regenerate those parts. This ensures variations remain prompt, accurate, and consistent. Background removal. I use the background remover to isolate the character. This creates a clean, transparent version, ideal for exporting to game engines or UI layouts. Custom model training. HolopX also lets you train your own private AI model. I go to the Train tab and upload 10 to 20 images with a consistent visual style. HolopX processes these to build a private model that matches my unique style. Once trained, it appears in my Explore list, letting me generate future assets with perfect stylistic consistency. This is especially powerful for teams and indie developers. Reviewing the final result. After enhancements and adjustments, I export the final image. The Cyberpunk Bounty Hunter looks fully realized, polished, and ready to integrate into UI, concept art, or promotional assets. Everything was created inside HolopX without needing external software. And that's the complete workflow of creating a game-ready character asset using HolopX AI. Sign up at holopixai.art. New users get 200 free credits to start generating right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of game asset you'd like to see next.